Sup my dudes, it's Demi, and today I am coming to you from my house because I am celebrating 1 year on YouTube. I cannot believe it has been a year, but at the same time it feels like it's been a million years. But I wanted to celebrate by doing a giveaway, and not just any giveaway, because there's not gonna be one giveaway winner. No, there's not even gonna be 2 giveaway winners. No, there is gonna be 3 giveaway winners, and I'm very excited about it because I recently went to a Disney outlet and I just could not stop buying things. The deals were so great. I mean, I did end up spending because I bought so much, and this isn't even all of it. There's stuff under the table. And I'm so excited to be able to do this huge giveaway for you guys as a thank you for this amazing year on YouTube. And if you're new, welcome. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through all of the stuff I bought. We're gonna see how much I paid for it because it's super exciting when you find a really good deal on Disney stuff. It really is. And then I'm gonna show you what the giveaways are and how to enter. So let's get into it. Let's get into some hijinks. Okay, before I show you all the things I'm gonna give away, I'm just gonna quickly show you what I ended up getting for myself. So I wanna start with this really cool Disneyland bottle. It was $13.98, originally $29.99. It's beautiful. They make them for Disney World as well, but because Disneyland wasn't open last year, a lot of the Disney stores and Disney outlets ended up getting Disneyland merchandise, which you will see as we continue on this journey. Next I bought, because if you know me, you know I love Halloween. I bought this really adorable Disneyland tote, this Halloween tote, and the original price was $24.99 and I paid $9.98. I couldn't not buy it. And I couldn't believe I found this because I never find Hercules merchandise, and I love Hercules. It's one of my favorite films of all time. And it's the Muses, and they're so beautiful, and it's a huge pouch. I'm gonna use it for a makeup bag, and the original cost is $12.99. I paid $7.99. Then I got a Miss Piggy because, you know why? I don't know why, actually. Well, I guess I do, because the original price for this Miss Piggy is $16.99. And then there's a sticker that says $3.98, but then there's a sticker on top of it and it said $2.98. So this beautiful, beautiful queen, well, baby queen, because this is baby Miss Piggy, was like $3. How could I not buy it? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with her, but I was like, how can I not buy Miss Piggy? I love the Muppets, if you don't know that. I am a huge Muppet person. I love Miss Piggy. I love them all. So I had to get Miss Piggy. And then the last thing I got for myself, which I'm most likely gonna give to my sister-in-law for my nephew, because he loves Mickey, is this really cool board. And it says, it's my first day of, and then you can write in with the chalk, and then it says, my teacher is, and how old am I, and you can fill that in. And I thought it was super cute. And and I paid $3.98 for this, and this price is originally $16.99. Wow, okay. So that was the stuff I bought for myself. Now let me get into what I bought for the giveaways. So the way I'm doing this giveaway is they're gonna be a bunch of prizes in little groups. So I basically bought a bunch of things and I made it into a little prize package. So the first prize package is a Halloween themed package, and I'm very excited about it because someone's also gonna get the Disneyland tote. I thought it was so cute. It's like big too, and I just love it. I hope whoever wins this will love it. Next part of the Halloween package is the really cool light up necklace. Now I'm not gonna light it because I don't wanna pull out the tab so that you all know it's new, because that little tab thing is there, but the lights are normally, I don't have an original price, but I paid $3.98 for it. So pretty good deal. And it's really cool because you have the Mickey pumpkin, you have a little candy, and you have a candy corn. So I thought those were super cute. Next up, because Disney did announce that masks will be required through 2021, I got a Halloween mask. And if you go to your Disney store, even your regular Disney stores right now, RIP to all of those Disney stores that are closing. I'm so sorry if your Disney store is closing, but you can find these Halloween masks for $1, because that's what I paid, $1. And normally Disney masks are $5.99. So This is an extra large mask, so this should fit an adult no problem. Next, my Hocus Pocus fans, get hype, because I have the witch herself, Winifred Sanderson. She is so fierce. I love this plush. Originally $16.99. I got it for $6.98. And she's fantastic and she's fabulous. And I love Hocus Pocus so much. I love Hocus Pocus and know it so well that 2 years ago, my friend and I walked into a Hocus Pocus trivia bar totally randomly, and we won because we are obsessed with that movie. And there's one more thing, and it's not really Halloween, but I saw it and it didn't really fit with anything else that I was giving away, and I just felt like I should give it away because it's super cute. Happiest place on earth, Mickey ears. This is the full hat Mickey ears. It's not mini ears, they're Mickey ears, and I thought they were so beautiful. And you can see the castle, and there's detail in the ears. I thought just absolutely stunning. These ears are originally $19.99, and I got them for $6.99. So this will be in the Halloween package. Like I said, it didn't really go with the Halloween theme, but I just saw it and it didn't fit anywhere else, so I'm putting it with this Halloween package. Okay, cool. So that is the Halloween package. Don't worry, we're gonna get to how you enter the contest very soon, but I wanted to show you guys each package first. So let's go see our next package. So for those of you that are new, I am from New York. I go to Disney a lot, and when I'm there, I film a bunch of videos that I can release while I'm back home for your entertainment. So because I live in New York, I get some really cool exclusive New York Disney merchandise, like these. Oh my God, they're so cute. I kind of wanted a pair for myself, but it's the I Heart New York symbol on Mickey ears. That's just the sticker that says adult that can be removed. And they were just so perfect, so precious, and they're super unique. Like, you can't get these, I think, anywhere but New York. And originally these ears are $14.95, and I paid $4.98 for them. So really, really cool, really unique item. Along with that, this is my New York package if you haven't caught up. I got the New York Tsum Tsum. So the Tsum Tsums are like those little plushes that like stack on top of each other, and they're so cute, and it's Minnie and Mickey, and you can see the stickers. I got this for $3.98, originally $14.95, and they're in a little taxi. I think they're so cute. And I just noticed, because I'm pushing down and I can kind of, I don't want to open the box, but they say I love New York on their backs. So that's adorable. Again, another item that you can't get everywhere. And the last piece of our New York items are Minnie as the Statue of Liberty. Isn't she so cool? And then on her foot, it says Disney Store, New York. Originally, this was $19.99. Oh, wait. No, I paid full price. I paid a full $20 for this because I really wanted to do a giveaway package for like a New York theme, and this was all the New York themed things they had. This is a cool, really exclusive package giveaway, and I think it's awesome, so that's another thing that you could possibly win. All right, now there's one more package that I'm really excited to show you guys, and then I'm gonna explain how to enter the giveaway. So after I went to this Disney outlet, I actually went to EPCOT and I went to Mouse Gears, and I happened to see some ears on the wall that I recently bought at the outlet, and those ears were the full price $29.99 ears, still being sold at EPCOT. It's these beautiful rainbow ears. Again, you can still pay full price for these, I'm pretty sure online too, and at the parks. Look how gorgeous. They sparkle, they're so pretty. I paid $6.98. Oh, and on the side of these ears, it's love. Don't we always need a little love? Part 2 is really cool, and I kind of regret not getting one for myself. It is this really cool retro Disneyland Resort bag, and it's that material. I don't really remember what this material is called, but it just reminds me of the 90s and the 80s. And it has 2 compartments, and it's a perfect park bag. I think it's so cool looking, super retro. I do regret not getting one for myself now. Maybe I won't give it to you. No, I'm kidding. I'll still give it away. originally this bag was $24.99. I got it for $7.99. Now there's one more piece to this package, and it's a big piece, and it was the most expensive thing that I bought. And so I hope you guys enjoy it. It is this beautiful rainbow throw that looks like the castle, and it's sequenced, so it goes like the up and the down. It changes. It's so lovely. This was originally $59.99, and I paid $30 for it. This was the most expensive thing I bought, but I thought, you know, let me do this really cool rainbow theme. And then the inside, where there's no sequins, is really soft and just feels so nice. And I think whoever gets this is really gonna love it. It's just a great piece to have on top of it in your house. So there we go. So we had the Halloween package, we had the New York package, and we had the rainbow package. Okay, now let's talk about how to enter. So here's how the giveaway is gonna work. I'm gonna pick a winner number 1, a winner number 2, and a winner number 3. Winner number 1 is gonna be able to choose between all the 3 giveaway packages and choose which one that they want. Winner number 2 will be able to choose between the 2 that are left, and winner number 3 will get that third package that didn't get chosen. So here is how you enter this giveaway. You have to make sure you're subscribed to the channel and have your bell notifications on. You're gonna like this video, and you're going to leave a comment below on this video. You are going to leave a positive thing that happened to you within this past year comment. And I mean anything, big or small, because this past year has been crazy. And as much as I enjoyed all of it with my channel, I had a lot of loss, I had a lot of heartache, and but being able to do this channel and do these videos for you guys has really made everything better. And I would really love to hear just the smallest bit of positivity from within the last year, even if it's, you know, one day I felt really not great and I got dressed, because I know those days. I just want the little bit of positivity. As if I can get that, I would love to hear that. But there is a second part to entering this giveaway, because it is a huge giveaway. I'm gonna need you guys to also go to my flower and garden video, and I'm going to link it here. I'm gonna put it in the description. I'll pin it in the first comment. And I'm gonna want you to comment on that video as well. I want you to comment what your favorite EPCOT festival is. And if you've never been to an EPCOT festival, what EPCOT festival you would like to go to the most. So here, let me recap. Make sure you're subscribed. Have your bell notifications on. Like this video. Comment a positive thing that happened to you within this past year on this video. Go to the EPCOT Flower and Garden video and comment what your favorite EPCOT festival is, or if you've never been to one, which one you would like to go to the most. Okay, 5 simple steps. So here is how I'm going to choose the winner. I am going to put all the comments on this video and the flower and garden video into a generator, which means you will have 2 chances of winning. Isn't that cool, right? So that's why if you're doing it right, you'll get 2 chances to win the giveaway. Plus, there's 3 different winners, so there's a really, really cool way to win some prizes. And then I will comment on this video to the winner. They will have a week to respond. If not, then I go to the next person and so on. But there will be 3 winners eventually, so just make sure you keep checking the comments. This giveaway will end April 7th. That is a Wednesday, April 7th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you enter. I hope you like this video. I hope you're excited about all the giveaways. I hope you're excited about the future of this channel. And thank you so much for an incredible first year. I really just still can't believe that I did this and that I'm still doing it, and knock on wood that I still get to keep doing it. And I hope you guys are enjoying everything that I'm producing for you guys, because it has just been my entire life this year and my full joy. And if it weren't for you, I wouldn't be able to do it. And thank you so much. I wish I could give away something to everyone as a thank you. You know, I really can't wait to see what the future holds. Until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.